Arnold Schwarzenegger and girlfriend Heather Milligan enjoyed a shopping spree on London Bond Street on Friday. Arnold 76 looked typically dapper in indigo jeans and a black polo shirt, which he teamed with a dark grey blazer and smart brown shoes. The outing comes after sources confirmed to TMZ that Arnold and Heather are not engaged after the physiotherapist was seen wearing a ring on her wedding finger in London last week. Arnold was previously married to Maria Shriver 76, but the pair split in 2011 after it emerged the star had fathered a son Joseph Bina with their housekeeper Mildred Bina. According to a description of the book from Amazon, be useful 7 tools for life details, the 7 rules to follow to realize your true purpose in life, distilled by Arnold Schwarzenegger from his own journey of ceaseless reinvention and extraordinary achievement, and available for absolutely anyone. As Arnold conquered every realm he entered, he kept his father adage close to his heart. So thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos.